At AIRE Environmental, we work to bring you the most efficient solutions for your home or business needs. When our team creates a product, we continue innovating to make it even more sustainable and effective. That's why we developed the Diversion Tube Stacking System. When flood disasters strike, you can never be too prepared. Though you may already have diversion tubes ready to deploy, we've engineered an all-new product to help maximize your AIRE Environmental diversion tube loft height and stability. After all, the goal is to create an effective flood barrier, and unfortunately, water levels can sometimes demand greater barrier heights to protect your home, business, or work site. The all-new stacking system utilizes a triple diversion tube structure that functions by utilizing downward load and compression from a single diversion tube resting in the cradle of two bottom diversion tubes. The innovative material used to develop the stacking system allows for the tube resting on top to remain stable and in place while achieving an 18-inch tall flood barrier. Using this stacking system, you can replace approximately 90 sandbags for every 10 feet of barrier length. Not only does the stacked system create a taller barrier, but stability is improved as well. You will be less likely to experience slipping or rolling of your diversion tubes if the stacking system is implemented. The stacking system also improves seepage reduction and helps prevent the shifting of diversion tubes facing currents and wave action. The all-new Diversion Tube Stacking System is your answer for maximum protection. So go ahead, get back to work, and let AIRE Environmental handle your flood barrier needs.